Welcome back to list of the place where we shine a flashlight into the weird and wonderful corners of this thing we call the human experience. Then realize the flashlight is actually a glow stick and just roll with it. Today, we're diving headfirst, sometimes literally, into the list of amazing human feats science still can't explain. Yes, these are real people doing very real, very impossible things, leaving scientists scratching their heads and muttering, well, that's odd. Let's begin. Number 1. The Iceman cometh, Wim Hof. Imagine stepping into freezing water so cold it would make a penguin apply for central heating. And staying there. That's Wim Hof, a man whose cold endurance pushes the limits of human biology. He's climbed snow-covered mountains in just shorts, swum under layers of polar ice, and here's the kicker, seems to control his body temperature and immune response at will. Doctors have studied him, monitored him, poked him with thermometers. And yet, many aspects of his control remain, well, unexplained. Some point to his breathing techniques. He points to not wearing pants in the snow. Either way, please don't try this at home, unless your home is the Arctic and you're already part seal. Number 2, minds like steel traps, unbreakable memory savants. We all forget things, birthdays, where we parked. That one email we definitely meant to reply to in 2014. But some people simply don't forget. Take people with hyperthymesia, they can recall every single day of their lives in astonishing detail. Ask them what they had for breakfast on a random Tuesday 15 years ago. And they'll not only tell you, they might even recall what song was playing in the cafe. Scientists can see their brains are wired a bit differently, but the why and how, that's still a mystery. For the rest of us, well, maybe forgetting your high school haircut isn't the worst thing. Number 3, the spontaneous musical savant. Here's a plot twist. Some people suddenly develop world-class music skills after a head injury. It's called acquired savant syndrome, and while extremely rare, it's as fascinating as it sounds. One day, you can't even clap in time. The next day, you're composing symphonies like you've been doing it since birth. Doctors suggest brain rewiring after trauma might activate dormant abilities. Which sounds great, but maybe stick to piano lessons instead of, say, dropping something on your head. Number 4, magnet man. Some people can apparently stick metal objects to their skin. Everything from spoons to frying pans. Although I'm guessing forks are less fun for obvious reasons. While it's often described as magnetic, scientists point out there's usually no actual magnetism involved. Gravity, friction, and maybe slight skin stickiness could be at play. But here's the thing, some of these human magnets display this effect even after removing oils, washing their skin, and holding objects at odd angles. So, mysterious force, hidden superpower, or just the ultimate life hack for never losing your keys? We'd like to think all of the above. Number 5, extreme super tasters. If you love bland food, this is not your superpower. Super tasters have a dramatically higher number of taste buds than the average person. That means flavors, bitter, sweet, salty, hit them like a sensory tidal wave. Broccoli, bitterness dialed up to 11. Chocolate, pure flavor overload. It sounds fun for about 5 seconds. Then you realize even toothpaste can taste too intense. Researchers can measure their taste bud density, but why some people have this ability, still unclear. On the plus side, they'd make incredible food critics. If they could get through a meal without wincing. Number 6, the placebo surgery miracle. This one defies logic. In some trials, patients with knee pain underwent sham surgeries, meaning the surgeon made an incision but didn't actually do the procedure. And yet, many reported real, lasting pain relief. Their brains and bodies responded as if the surgery happened, kickstarting healing processes we don't fully understand. It's the placebo effect at full power, and it raises fascinating questions about how much of medicine is mind over matter. While it's not a replacement for real treatment, it's proof the mind might just be the most underrated healer we have. And there you have it, from ice-bathing daredevils to human magnets, from memory like a photographic vault to music skills literally falling from the sky. These feats remind us that for all we've discovered, the human body still hides secrets worthy of both science and science fiction. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and maybe share your almost superpower. You never know We might just feature you in a future episode. If you enjoyed this dive into the unexplained, hit that like button, subscribe for more lists that make you go, wait, what? And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a story worth telling. Stay curious and stay wonderfully mysterious.